Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let us discuss about polymer composite. So first of all we should know about the definition of a polymer composite. So let us see the definition. So a material made by two or more number of polymers with different chemical and physical properties. The final product is differ in chemical and physical properties of individual components. Here the definition, which means that we have to get the polymer composites by the addition or combination of two different polymers, and the two different polymers should be differ in their physical and chemical properties, where the final product which is obtained from these two polymers should be differ in the physical and chemical properties of the individual components. So this is what the definition says for polymer composite. Now let us see one example. So one of the best example for polymer composite is considered as Kevlar fiber. So what is this Kevlar fiber? How can we prepare or synthesize this Kevlar fiber? Let us see the synthesis of Kevlar fiber now. So synthesis of Kevlar fiber. So KF means Kevlar fiber. So let us see the synthesis of Kevlar fiber. So by the definition, we came to know that two or more number of polymers, right? So two or more number of polymers should combine together with different chemical and physical properties for the formation of new product, right? So now let us combine two polymers, different polymers which are differ in the chemical and physical properties for the formation of this Kevlar fiber. Okay, let us consider the synthesis of Kevlar fiber. So the first polymer that we are going to take for the formation or synthesis is this one, the benzene ring, in which the benzene ring at para positions is connected with the amine groups. So amine groups means NH2. So here H2, I am writing these two H atoms separately. So H2 is written like this, and the name of this compound or the name of this polymer is considered as, this is a benzene ring, right? So this is the para position, or this is considered as phenyl group. So the phenyl group at para positions, the amine groups are connected. So hence it is considered as para phenylene diamine. So para phenylene diamine. So para phenylene diamine. So simply it is considered as PPD. Para positions. So these two are the para positions. This is phenylene group, and these two diamines are connected. So hence it is considered as paraphenylene diamine. So this paraphenylene diamine is connected with one of the polymer which is considered as a benzene ring. In this benzene ring also, the para positions are connected to the ketone groups, right? So these ketone groups, so C double bond O is considered as ketone groups, right? So these ketone groups are connected to dichloride, right? So this is considered as dichloride. So the name of this compound is considered as terephthalate dichloride. So terephthalate dichloride compound. So this is this is one polymer, and this is another polymer. So this polymer is considered as paraphenyl diamine. So and this polymer is considered as terephthalate dichloride molecule. So when these two polymers combine together, we can consider that this is the first amine and this is second amine. So this is the first chloride and this is the second chloride, right? So now the first chloride molecule will combine with one of the hydrogen molecule of first amine group. So hence we can write like this. So the first amine group, the hydrogen of that amine group will be shared with the first carbon chloride molecule of this polymer. In the same way, this is considered as the second amine group. So here also in second amine group, the hydrogen is connected or combined with the second chloride group of the second polymer. So hence we can say, so here these two molecules we got HCl. So here also we got HCl. So now we can write the product as like this. By the removal of these two HCl molecules, we can write -2 HCl. So now, so in the last video we have discussed that polymers means we can add many number of monomers. So many number means either we can add 10, 5, hundreds, thousand number of monomers. So like that we can add. So hence we have discussed that it is considered as n number. So as we know that if we add only two polymers, we can remove 2 moles of HCl, right? Suppose if we add n number of molecules, then we can remove minus 2n HCl molecules. So these are considered as byproducts of these polymers. So by the removal of these byproducts, now I am going to get the product in which here the benzene ring will be as it is, right? So here the benzene ring will be as it is. And this side, so N, nitrogen is having one hydrogen molecule, so another bond is connected with benzene ring. But we know that nitrogen is trivalency, right? So this trivalency compound will be as it is, but this trivalency can combine with even more number of monomers for the formation of long chain, right? So this side also I'll be having n number. So n means amine nitrogen group. So and one of the hydrogen will be as it is, but by the removal of this hydrogen molecule, so this nitrogen can combine with this ketone group, and this ketone group can combine with this nitrogen group by the formation of new covalent bond by sharing the electrons between this nitrogen and this ketone group. So hence C double bond O can be connected to the nitrogen or amine group, right? So now the C double bond O group which is connected to benzene ring will be as it is. The benzene ring will be having one more ketone group this side also, but here for this ketone group the chlorine molecule is removed or it is eliminated, so right? So this chlorine molecule is eliminated by combining with hydrogen. So hence this will be having one more bond. So this bond is valency bond, right? So the total number of valency for carbon atom is 4, but here only 3 bonds are connected, but one bond should be connected to make this molecule as stable molecule. So hence this can combine with even more number of monomers, new monomers or same type of monomers for the formation of long chain of polymers. So hence this will be as it is, the bond will be as it is. So this side also will be having a bond, and this side also will be having a bond for the combination of even more number of monomers, and this is considered as n number. So why I am mentioning this as n number? Nth time of such type of monomers can combine for the formation of long chain of Kevlar fibers. So hence this structure is considered as Kevlar fiber. So this is what we can consider for polymer composites. So this is what we can define polymer composites, and this is what we can write the synthesis of Kevlar fibers. Now let us see how we can define or how we can write the properties of Kevlar fiber. What are the properties of Kevlar fiber now? So the first point of this Kevlar fiber, or first point of properties of Kevlar fiber, is it is a crystalline molecule. It is a crystalline molecule, and it is lightweight molecule, non-flammable, right? So this is the first. This is the these three properties we can write in a single point: crystalline, lightweight, and non-flammable properties. And the second property that you can write is it is resistant to heat and scratches, right? So it is resistant to heat and scratches. The next point you can say resistant to chemicals, resistant to chemicals. And the next point you can say it is having high tensile strength, high tensile strength. And one more point you can write, it can withstand for harsh environment conditions. Harsh environment conditions. So even more properties you can include and you can write. So one of the important property is it is resistant for corrosion also, right? So it is resistant for corrosion. So these are the properties of Kevlar fiber, and now let us see the applications of Kevlar fiber. Applications of Kevlar fiber. So what are the applications of Kevlar fiber? Where we use this Kevlar fiber? So we came to know that they are lightweight, right? So because of this lightweight, we can use this in the manufacture of boat hulls and racing cars, and we can also use this in case of aircraft panels, right? So in aircraft panels also we can use this aircraft panels. And the next point we can say they can be used in ropes and cables also. So ropes and cables, we can use this for the formation or manufacture of ropes and cables also. And one of the main important application of this Kevlar fiber is considered as, so this can be used as bulletproof vests and combat helmets. So they can be used for the manufacture of bulletproof vest and combat helmets too. And the next application of this Kevlar fiber is considered as, they can be used as car tires. They can be used in case of car tires, bicycle tires. Why we can use this one? Because this can be used as a reinforcement material, right? So because of reinforcement material, we can use this one. So what is this reinforcement? Why we are using this one? Because this reinforcement property of this Kevlar fiber, this can reduce the puncture rates of the tires. So hence, due to reduce the puncture rates of tires, we can use this one. These are the 4 important applications of Kevlar fibers. Okay, so today we have discussed about the composite polymers. We have discussed about the definition, synthesis of Kevlar fiber, properties and applications of Kevlar fiber, right? This is one of the important question which can be asked for 8 marks. They will ask you the question like this: define polymer composite and explain the synthesis, properties and applications of Kevlar fiber. Okay, so if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.